Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the simple step to log in into VCU Health account. Whether you are a patient, employee, or just want to access your medical record, this tutorial video will guide you through the process. Let's dive in. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, make sure it is up and running. Now next, in the address bar, type in VCU Health Login. Once you type in VCU Health Login, hit enter. Now in the screen, you will see the VCU Health My Chart option. So click on this site to reach into the VCU Health official site. Now you will be directed into the login page of VCU Health My Chart. Here, you need to enter your username and password in the respective field. So type in your username and password. Username in this section and password right below section. Make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are sorted, click on the sign in option right below the sign in field. Once you are signed in, depending on your role and permission, you will have access to different feature and resource within the platform of VCU Health. Through this way, you can log in into the VCU Health account through your computer. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.